Hey guys, how you doing? It's your boy James Truss with marketonlinewithjames.com and howtogetpaiddaily.com. All right, thank you for coming to this video, guys, and watching it. If you would, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumb down. Let me know something, guys. You know, go ahead and comment where you're from. If you're from Georgia, say Georgia. You're from Canada, say Canada. It actually helped the algorithm, guys, and help the video get out there for those people that want to earn $100 to $500 a day using Craigslist. And you may not be one of those people, but by you commenting on my video, giving me a thumbs up, thumbs down, liking this video, guys, and subscribe to the channel, it helps me reach those people that do. Okay? So thank you so much for doing that. Now, I want to talk a little bit about how we can actually earn money with 𝐷irectFlow 365 using only Craigslist. Okay, that's what we're going to do, guys, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. Now, you will have to be a part of the team to learn that strategy, but I'm going to show you basically what we will do. Show you something first, guys. Listen here. How many views do Craigslist get? That is so powerful. Actually, guys, according to the study from March 2022, Craigslist received 250 over 250 million visits every month. Now that's huge considering what we're gonna do. All right, because all we're gonna do, guys, and I got to show you this right here. All we're gonna do is welcome invite people, into this program, direct flow 365. And it's $100 payment, all right, and $10 a month. That's all. Who wouldn't want to do that? Who wouldn't want to do that, right? So way it works, guy, it is actually a one up, a reverse one up, where you keep your first person that comes to you, and you have to give your second person. That's where the magic gonna come, guys, on Craigslist. Okay, that's how you're gonna be earning those $300 to $500 a day. Reason why, guys, if you got 5 or 6 people on your team, and every day they're posting on Craigslist, and all right, they're giving you a one up. Come on, guys. I want you to think about that. They giving their second person up to you. We can reach hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people on Craigslist. That's enough advertising on Craigslist, guys, alone for us to earn $300 to $500 a day with this opportunity. Now, one of the things I like about this opportunity, it comes directly to you. Right? It comes right into your cash app. People need money now, right? People don't want to wait till it clears with the credit card or, 3 weeks before they get the first check. The money comes directly to you, cash out. So if you need gas that day, boom, that $100 is going to help you. Right? You need food that day, boom, that $100 is going to help you. Do that make sense? You need to pay something that day, boom. That $300, $500 that day gonna help you. Got money right then that you can go and use in your cash app. You can get your hopefully everybody got a debit card with cash app. If not, when you join the system, you can get all you want. You can go withdraw that money, guys, or you can send that money into your bank account. All right. So enough said about that right now. We may come back. This is Craigslist, guys. This is Craigslist. Again, remember how many people are visiting Craigslist a month, guys? Over 250 million visits every month. Did I say billion last time? I said billion. But it's million people every month. That's huge. That is huge, guys. That is huge when it comes down to what we got. Remember, this is where actually I'm able to advertise. I'm in Talladega, Alabama. This is Birmingham, Alabama. Look here, all of these places that I got to advertise. Right now, the key to this Craigslist thing, guys, is writing the right ad. All right, you got to have an ad copy writer, guys. You need somebody that can write an ad, all right, with your information that you can place it on Craigslist. Okay, that's it. And all you do is post that on Craigslist. All right. So what we would do, you go post an ad, right? You go down through here. We're gonna do the I think it would be more like service. And we go here. Finance is $5. You want to do that for $5, and you'll write your title, but you'll have a title written for you and everything, and then you post that ad. You put that in here, you post that ad. Now, whatever city you're posting it in, guys, just put the zip code in there, and that's gonna work. Don't put your zip code unless you actually in that city. All right, but you put that zip code. Now you can't use a URL and add a link. Of course, you can see that no URL links or website address in your text or image. Now, listen, I don't know how to do that, and I don't really want to learn how to do that. I use my phone number, and what happened is people begin to call me, and that's more better. I build a quick relationship with them. You know, tell them how much it is to get an opportunity. And most of the time, guys, they like, okay, $100. You know, what do you have to lose? Right? Because if you can post an ad on Craigslist, you're going to make some money too. Right? And I let them know that I'm going to be there to help them, and I'm showing them exactly what I'm doing to be successful. And that's it, guys. That's it. It's not hard at all. Don't make it hard. It's not a hard business. A lot of people think you need a whole big list to make a whole lot of money. You don't. And guys, if you're thinking that out there, so is a man with thinking. And it's hard. So is he. If you're believing I ain't got a list, I ain't gonna make no money, I can't do this and I can't do that, guess right. Guess what, guys? You're right. You're right. But I want to help you debunk that the thought, that negative thought, okay? Because you can't get rid of negative thoughts, guys. You can only replace them. All right? You can only replace them with good thoughts. All right? Listen, I'm a great guy to work with. You can call and talk with me anytime. I look forward to serving you. My name is James Truss. Again, with marketonlinewithjames.com and howtogetpaiddaily.com, saying, have a great day just because you can.